Hi guys, good morning guys. Mag-almusal ta guys. Ano lang yung ano ko, toast lang siya. Tapos ayan yung butter. Kasi may bubuksan ako ngayon guys. May dumating na package. So yung package na dumating is galing sa kaibigan. Kilala ko siya. Kaibigan ko siya. Nagbibinta, mahilig siya magbinta ng kung ano-ano. Tapos, kahapon, nakita ko sa post niya sa Facebook. Nagbibinta siya ng mga daing. Malayo siya dito sa amin, guys, eh. Malayo siya. Siguro may 30 minutes, 25 minutes, I think. Kung saan siya nakatira. So, may binibinta nga siya ng may binibinta siyang daing. Sa Facebook, nakita ko. So, nag-order ako ng 3. Sabi ko sa kanya, kasi busy ako, hindi ko makuha. Sabi ko, lutuin mo na rin. Pinaluto ko na rin doon sa kanila kasi nga, hindi naman ako pwede makapagluto dito sa amin. So, pinaluto ko na rin. Ang in-order ko is danggit siya, guys. So, dumating siya ngayon. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kain muna ako. Tapos, bubuksan natin siya. So, ulamin ko siya mamayang gabi. Magluluto ako ng rice o kaya saging lang siguro lutuin ko. May saging ako eh. So ito, tapos na ako kumain guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Kasi hindi nyo akalain na Kasi Amazon yung box niya. Ayan o. Akala ko Amazon. Okay, titingnan na natin guys kung ano yung sa loob. Ito na siya guys, oh. Well packed talaga siya. Wala siyang amoy. Ganito pala pag pwede palang i-post. Hindi ko akalain na pwede pala siya i-post. Siguro galing ito Pinas, tapos pinadala sa kanya, tapos binibinta niya. Hindi ko lang alam. Pinaluto ko na to. Luto na siya, oh. Well packed talaga siya guys, oh. Nilagyan ng Nilagyan siya ng cling film. Ayan, oh. Hindi mo siya maamoy. Tsaka danggit ito. Ang danggit kasi hindi masyadong maamoy ang danggit, diba? Ayan siya, oh. Mukhang... Yung iba kasi, yung dalawa, sabi ko, kakainin ko ito mamaya. Hindi ko naman alam kung maubos ko ito kay madami man. Ako lang ang kakain. Siguro yung dalawa, ilagay ko siya sa freezer. Sarap guys. Ayan, luto na siya. So, titikman natin. Yum. Uy. Narinig niyo yung crunchy? Sarap. Kukuha ko ng suka na pinakurat guys. Try ko. Masarap papakin. Ayan yung suka ko na pinakurat, oh. Yung ako lang gumawa. Ang sarap papakin. Pagkatapos lang ng iniisip ko, pag ilagay ko siya sa freezer, baka hindi na siya crunchy. So, i-warm ko lang naman siya. Siguro pwede ko siya i-warm sa oven. Isa na lang. Naku. Isa na lang. Painom tayo nito. Maraming tubig. Pinupak. Pinupak ko. Ang sarap. Mamaya, maglalagay ako dito ng kamatis. So, lagyan ko siya ng parang kamatis at sibuyas. I-chop-chop ko siya. Lagay ko siya dito sa pinakurat ko. Tapos, ito. Tapos, magluluto ako ng saging. Tama na. Ang sarap. Sarap-sarap. Tatakpan ko lang siya uli. Ganun ko lang siya uli. Para wala siyang amoy. Pero wala naman talaga siyang amoy. Yan. Para seal siya, yung crunchy niya. Crunchy pa rin siya mamaya. Nag-coffee uli ako kasi nga yung ano niya ba, yung parang alat-alat ba. So yung dalawang pack, ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. So kung hindi naman siya crunchy, pwede ko siya isubak sa ano guys, sa munggo. Yun ang gagawin ko, pwede ko siya isubak sa munggo. At least wala siyang buto. Tihulo lang ang ano, pero masarap kainin pag crunchy. Masarap sa saging yan kasi mas gusto ko yung malat-alat tapos manamis-namis kasi yung saging ko manamis-namis. Ano siya, frozen na nga lang siya pero mas gusto ko yung saging na manamis-namis. Isisil ko kaya guys. Tapos mamaya pagdating ng anak ko, yung babae kong anak, sasabihin ko sa kanya, oh may package ako para sa iyo. Kung ano ang reaction niya. Nalagay ko lang yung tape ko. Tinapon ko na yung, saan ba yung isang tape? Tinanggal ko dito. Kung ano ang reaction ng anak ko, sasabihin ko, kung may dumating, kaya lang, dapat hindi niya tingnan yung pangalan kasi pangalan ko eh. Hindi niya alam kung ano ito. Iti-trick ko siya. Paano kaya nga gawin ko? Hindi ko na pwede mapalitan yung pangalan ko eh. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng pangalan sa taas tapos scare off sa pangalan ko. Ito yung ano yung tape. I-double ko. Sasabihin ko, ay, may package ka dyan, o, buksan mo. Tapos i-video ko. I-video ko kung anong reaction. Hindi, siguro. I-video ko anong reaction ng anak ko. No, excited ako. Kung anong, Ayan. Ititrick ko siya mamaya. Kasi, uwi na siya mamaya-maya. Lagyan ko ng yung pangalan ko, lagyan ko yung pangalan niya sa taas. Tapos, yung pangalan ko, lagyan ko siya ng care off. Ganun ang gagawin ko. Lana, come here for a minute, will you? Sasabihin ko, guys. You know that there's a package here for you. Okay. By Amazon. Okay. So do you have any idea who give you get scissor? Do you have any idea who give you those?
Alright.
It's actually exposed. Get a scissor.
Is it fan mail?
Huh?
Fan mail.
Well, it could be for Alexander.
Stop.
It's a male. See?
That's your writing.
No,
Look, that's your writing.
it's not my writing.
Yeah, then why does it say your name right there?
Yeah, because it's scare up to me, but it's your name. It's from you.
How do I?
Oh, don't. Because you don't know what is in there. You couldn't do like this way. Like that way. The lights in that way.
Volvo.
What is it?
Yeah. Win a Volvo. Seriously.
What is it? What is it?
I know you drew my name on it.
What is it?
I don't want to.
What is that?
Seriously, I was very excited.
What is that?
Your prawns or whatever, muscles.
Muscle? Excuse me, that's pose. See? See? See?
Yeah, you could have.
See? And you see, it's my writing.
That says express post. They wouldn't tape all that. That would be a sticker on that.
Yeah,
You tape
yeah,
that.
but that's male. See, that's male. See the male. What is that? Open it.
I don't want to open it. There's many feet.
I think open the other one. It's more easier. Those. And this one here, maybe.
Oh, that's muscles. That stinks. That smells like cat food.
No, it's not. You couldn't smell any in it. Huh?
I want to open the Volvo.
So you like that, do you?
No, I don't
You have
want
to try
that.
it. It's
I
nice
don't
and
want
crunchy.
to try it.
You don't want to
I
try
want
it.
the Volvo.
You want to try it?
No.
Open it. Open it. Shoot them. And you're gonna try it.
I'm not trying it. You're trying it.
You try
I'm
it.
not trying it.
Because it's
I'm
challenge.
full.
Open it.
Oh, okay, you know what I smell it?
There's no smell.
Yeah.
So
You open it.
you're so party. And you eat it. Come here.
No.
I open it and you eat it.
I'll open it and you eat it.
No. I open it and you eat it.
I'm not doing it. I'm not opening it.
You say she's expected nice inside.
I wanted a Volvo.
But the problem is she don't want to taste
I
it.
knew that was you, and I'm
She
not
don't want to taste
tasting
it. That's not my writing, honest. That's not my writing. That's the girl that I did.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
my
but it's
name
not my
was in your
writing.
writing. My name was in your writing.
There's no code for you, don't you?
And the box was all taped up. There's a sticker already on that.
Yeah, because I didn't order that in the Amazon. There's no like that in the Amazon. Do you believe? Do you think is
I
there
thought
like
you
that
got
in-
me a toy Volvo.
Do you think that's how in Amazon? Do you? You check in Amazon if there have there's none. Silly you.
I'm gonna get you back
I trick you.
I'm gonna get you back. On Valentine's Day.
Bye guys. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Bye. See you again. Bye bye.